already 20 minutes to 4. Kakatapos lang na for day 3. Nasa hotel na kami. Away from the function room. Later kasi yung social. So, I will be eating here. Sabi yung meron nila. Tops and Mix. This is Sydney Hotel. Top and Mix. They have rice meals. Meron silang rice meals with egg. May Hungarian. Meron silang tuna garlic or spicy. They have lechon kawan, pork chop gabas, chicken mix and tapa. At bean rice with garlic rice crunchy. Actually, affordable yung ano nila dito, guys. So, ito ko na. They have also beverage menu. Ayun na yung shop. Cocaine can, real incan, cold coffee. They have iced coffee. But I'll be eating siguro gambas with rice. And then siguro dilis with tomato. It would be good for me. Lumpia veggies, they're popular snacks. They have garlic shrimps, guys. Yung food for sharing nila is ang good for 2 to 3 person. Tapos nasa 200 plus lang. I'll be eating. Then later I will umaga na. Then ngayong gabi yung socials namin, yung hippie, hippie. So, mag-order. What is that? So, mag-order ko gambas isa. Tapos, nag-add ko plain rice isa. Gusto niyo siya kaning egg drop, ma'am?
Kanang nasa worm soup, good sir.
Daghan siya. Daghan siya.
Naka-bowl lang.
Good for isa lang yung katawa.
Pwede.
Ang dilis tomato, saan rin siya?
Ay, alam niyo siya, sir. Nasa kanang gagmilog na dilis, sir. Tapos, kanang nasa side na tomato.
Kanina lang, isa ka egg drop, then dilis tomato. Then, isa ka coke na coke in can. Yeah, narinig mo guys ang order ko. So, I'll be eating na ngayon. Kasi later, I will not be eating sa party, sa socials. So, after here, I will be going sa room para makarest ako. Kahit isang oras. Then siguro 4:30 or 5, maliligo na para sa preparation. Thank you pala guys sa panonood ng mga vlogs ko. Actually, kanina bumili ako sa SM sa Miniso ng perfume. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi nagmamadali ako. And also, yung perfume nila na tugtog, I think that's 290 something. Ay, 290 something. Yung scent niya is vanilla lemon. I really love that scent. And also, wireless earphone kasi nasira na yung earphone. China-charge ko pa. Nagmadalian na kasi during lunchtime ako pumunta kaya wala akong video. Okay, thank you sa panonood guys. I hope you will love my video. Then, minomonitor ko din yung mga friends ko. Nasa Cagayan sila may Then, kasi socials din nila, pero yung socials nila doon is pageant, binibini pati ginoo, kaya I think nag-makeup na sila. Makeup time. Naman, water ma'am, no?
Opo.
Pati mga ito ng tissue ma'am. Thank you. Ako lang mag-isa kumakain kasi doon sila sa room. After here, sige na guys, baka you will be makaparate na naman ako, my God. Hi guys! So, I think I'm done eating. Naubos ko lahat yung food ko. May background music kasi kaya di ako nagpag-vlog. I'm now eating the egg. Chinese siya guys. Hindi kasi ako kanina nakapaglaro sa may background music. Then after here I'll be going up to have some rest. Hi everyone! So, kararating ko lang sa hotel. So, just finish yung socials naman. So, after 3 days forums, of course, may socials and then nag-exchange gift. And yung instruction kasi is, to bring from your region. Pero ako kasi, I bought some coffee, yung sa Malaysian product. Yung last time na nagpunta ako sa barter goods. So, ito yung nakuha ko from the exchange gift namin. So, wala siyang name, guys. Wala siyang name na nakalagay. But, bongbongs, special biscocho. So, I think it's from Iloilo. Mga special biscocho. I really love this kasi I tasted it. Hindi ko alam ha. Ay, Bacolod pala. Sorry, nakalagay Bacolod. So, I think this is one of their specialties sa Bacolod. Yung bongbongs biscocho. Then, I have also butterscotch squares with choco oats. So, ito. I love. Actually, guys, I really love this kind of gesture. Food, so sweet. So, ito yung mga nakuha ko na bunot ko. Kasi, ang instruction is, so you bring novelty items from your region. So, I think this would do. This would be enough. They're, galing doon. And also, yung host na region, nagpabaon sa amin ng mga goods. So, ito yung, goods na pabaon. So, this will just be, I think, sa Johnson na makita. So, like this one, Mommy Mel's assorted tart. So, they have like this one. Then, they have also ube tart. And also, cashew yama tart. And banana chips, they have also. Kaya pala, toasted pastillas, durian cookies and cream, guys. So if you happen to visit General Santos, you can look for this as pasalubong. You can find this toasted pastillas. So I'm so much grateful for this mga gift, guys. And tomorrow we still have last day of our forum. That's the 4th day. But since nag-socials tonight, so I think yung pagpunta namin is 8:30 na kami pinapapunta. Alright. So ito yun, guys. I'm so much thankful. And also my friend from this region, give me this one. Si Doc Fatima. So kalabasa. What's this? Calabashroom. Calabashroom, it's a parang ano siya, sour cream ang flavor, chicharon na kalabasa, guys. So, I think this is a healthy one. So, binigay niya sa akin. Thank you so much. Yun. So, hindi kasi ako pwede mag-upload ng mga video na during sa socials kasi maka-copyright. So, I'll just show some, I think, some tidbits ng mga video. Thank you so much guys sa panonood. Maraming salamat sa pag-support sa vlog ko. I hope hindi kayo magsasawang mag-share, mag-like, and sana mag-comment sa video ko. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!